Good morning, students. So I'm Satindrajit here. So today we are going to perform a very simple experiment of science. That is, I'm going to tell you how to make a simple homemade mobile projector. Right? So these are the very simple material which are required for making this projector. As I've displayed the material here, and you can see what do we need to make this projector. We need, that is, poster colors, black especially. Brushes, we need cutter for cutting purpose, we need scissor, we need a marker. Another thing which we need is glue and sellotape for fixing this shoe box, right? Now, and the most important thing which is required for making this shoe box, that is projector, that is magnifying glass. This magnifying glass is going to, that is, enlarge the image. ये हमें इमेज को enlarge करके दिखाएगा on the screen, right? So this is very important part, right? Now I'm going to start how to make this projector, right? So removing the upper cover. Now what I'm going to do is, on one side of this shoe box, I'm going to take the measurement of this magnifying glass with the help of this marker, right? As you can see, I'm using this marker to mark the outline of this magnifying glass. Now, the another important step is, now which I have already done, I'm going to take this cutter. Now, on the places where I have marked with the help of this marker, I'm going to cut it with the help of cutter. Now, I have already done this work, as you can see. Just see here. Right? So this part which I have already cut it with the help of cutter. Another important step is, now I'm going to fix my magnifying glass in this space. Right? As you can see, I am fixing this magnifying glass here. Right? So now this magnifying glass which I am going to fix here, it will be acting as what? It will be acting as a medium through which the rays of light they are going to pass, right? And ultimately at the end, the image which will be formed, that will be enlarged on the screen, right? Now the another important step is, now I'll be taking this mobile phone, right? And what we need to do is, we need to place our mobile phone here in the shoe box, right? As I'm already having stand at the back of my mobile phone, so I don't need to make a stand. But if you're not having a stand at the back of your mobile phone, you will be needing a stand for that, right? So you can see here, I'm fixing this mobile here, okay? And now we'll be moving to the another step now. Okay students, so you can see the final setup of the simple phone mobile projector is completed now. You can see I have fixed this magnifying glass here in the front of the shoe box with the help of sellotapes, and I have fixed the mobile phone at the end of this shoe box, right? Now another thing which I'm going to do is, I'm going to close this shoe box, and the most important part now, which we need to switch off the light, and we need to place one white screen at the front, right, where the image from the phone is going to form on the screen. Now as the light is switched off, now the another important part is, I will be moving this phone forward and backward. You can see as I'm moving the phone forward, the image formed is blurred, but as I move the phone at the backward side, the image becomes clear and more clear, right? So this is our simple homemade mobile projector, right? So hope you like this mobile projector and you can easily make it your home.